When spiders unite, they can tie down a lion. With this, a very warm greetings to everyone here. Today, I'm Siddhartha Kandil from grade 7B, here to speak shortly about unity. We all have heard about the lion, sticks and a bundle are unbreakable. This line may seem simple, but it has a deeper meaning of unity. A family is called a family only when the members live together, isn't it? Unity, yes, unity is the love that brings people together. We also know that where there is unity, there is always victory. From the very childhood, we learn to share, respect each other, and to be united. So hence, we grow as a civil human being. A united society is always happy, as unity brings power in people to fight against injustice and evils in the society. We all are human beings, or so-called social animals, which means animals who are highly interacted with other members in the society. So, being a social animal, we cannot live alone or in isolation for a long period of time, as we need each other to fulfill our needs, express our thoughts and emotions. Through unity, we form a good bond with others. Through unity, the sky is the limit. Unity, yes, unity gives us the feeling to express and share our emotions, sympathy and strength with others. So, we also know that where there is unity, there is always victory. With this, I would like to end my speech here with the famous proverb, unity is strength. Thank you.